Is Cit Bank FDIC insured? Cit Bank is an FDIC-insured institution, providing peace of mind to depositors. Established in 1933, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, was designed to protect consumers against the loss of deposits in the event of a bank failure. This ensures that customers' funds at Cit Bank are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category. This protection applies to a range of deposit accounts, including checking, savings, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDs. Being FDIC insured means that even in the rare event of a Cit Bank failure, depositors will receive their insured funds promptly. This coverage extends to both individual and joint accounts, with the insurance limits applied per depositor. For example, a couple with a joint account would be eligible for up to $500,000 in combined coverage. Accounts at Cit Bank benefit from this same robust framework that protects consumers nationwide, offering significant financial security. While Cit Bank's FDIC insurance is a critical benefit, some customers may find the bank's digital-only nature a drawback. Cit Bank operates without physical branches, which means interactions are limited to online and phone communications. Although this model allows the bank to provide competitive interest rates, it may not appeal to customers who prefer in-person services or more extensive customer support options. Live assistance is only available during specific hours, which can be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, depositors with funds exceeding the $250,000 FDIC limit should be mindful of potential uninsured balances. To maximize coverage, customers can distribute funds across multiple banks or different ownership categories. Despite this limitation, Cit Bank's FDIC membership signifies a commitment to deposit security, aligning it with other reputable financial institutions. For those comfortable with an online-only banking experience and seeking higher interest rates, Cit Bank offers a compelling combination of competitive products and federally backed security. Customers who prioritize branch access or around-the-clock support might need to evaluate alternative options. Overall, Cit Bank's FDIC insurance ensures that depositors can trust their money is safeguarded, underscoring its reliability in the financial marketplace.